Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. And in this video I will tell you and show you how you can access Google Photo from absolutely any device. Friends, please subscribe to our channel, be sure to put your likes and also write comments after watching this video. So let's get to our topic. And I'll tell you that this method works absolutely from any device, whether it's an iPhone or Android, MacBook, notebook, it doesn't matter at all. You're going to need to go to any web browser to do this. I'm going to use Safari. And then in the search bar, you will need to enter the combination photo.google.com and then go to this query. And then, if you have a page like this in Google, you will need to open it. Perhaps, you will be thrown straight to this page. Next, you will need to go to Google Photo from your Google account. To do that, click here. And so, as you can see, this will take you to your Google Photo account. To verify that this is yours, you can see your image of your account up here at the top. Now you can scroll through and find all the photos, videos, and other media files that you have in your Google Photo as a backup. Friends, this is the very simple way you can access Google Photo from any device. I hope this video was useful for you and helped you. Please, friends, subscribe to our channel, write your comments, and don't forget to put your likes. See you soon.